everybody.
Hi.
Welcome to this week's Phonics is Fun at Home video.
Okay.
This week we're going to look at the phonemes and we're going to be looking at these phonemes this week and next week.
Okay.
Okay, are we ready? Miss Emily's going to say the phoneme and I want you to point at it. Are we ready?
Yes.
Are in any order? Listening ears. Can you find the phoneme? T.
Yes,
Listen
I can
again,
find
the phoneme. T. Good job. Can you find the phoneme? Well done. Can you find the phoneme? Great job. We're going to look for two more. Can you find the phoneme? Well done, everybody.
Oh, this is
last one.
And this
Can
is.
you find the phoneme?
Oh.
Good job. Well done.
We have.
So these are the four phonemes that we looked at this week. Can you say them? I'm listening.
Good
job. There is something special about one of these phonemes.
What?
One of them is a digraph.
Oh,
Can you point to the one that's a digraph?
I would write it.
That's right, it's the k. We've used the graphemes C and K together. Two graphemes making one phoneme makes a digraph. Our digraph is k. Let's say the phonemes that we focused on again together. Are we ready?
Yes.
Good job. I like to see everybody's teeth when we made the phoneme. Well done, everybody. Okay, what have we got in our picture?
A duck. It's a duck.
It's a duck. Well done. It's a duck. Duck. Can you hear somewhere in the word duck the k digraph?
Yes, I hear
the word duck. Can you hear the k digraph?
Yes, I hear.
Where is it? Is it at the start of the word?
No.
Is it in the middle of the word?
Nope.
Or is it at the end of the word?
It's in the end of the word.
Let's segment together and find out. Are you ready?
Okay.
Again.
K.
Where was that k digraph? It was at the end, wasn't it?
Yes.
Well done if you segmented the word duck.
Is it a house?
Now I have a picture of a net. Net.
It's raining.
Can you all segment the word net? I'm listening. Ready, steady, go. One more time. That was super segmenting. Did you get all three phonemes?
Nope.
Net.
Net.
What was the phoneme in the middle of the word net?
E.
Can you say it again?
E.
Good job, everybody. It was the phoneme in the middle of the word net. This is our last picture for segmenting and blending. After this page, you're going to need your pencil and paper ready for writing. We're going to segment and blend this word together. Are we ready?
Okay.
It is a picture of a rock. Can you segment? Blend.
Rock.
Good job. Again.
Rock.
Great job. What was the first phoneme in the word rock? Can I hear you? It was the phoneme that was the first phoneme in the word rock. Now you might want to pause the video now. It's like I said, this was the last one for segmenting and blending. We're going to do some writing. So you can press pause and get yourself a pencil and paper or a whiteboard and marker. Okay, we're going to have 3 pictures that we write about. Miss Emily is going to dictate a sentence. You need to listen to the sentence and write it down. Then you can bring your work to school to show your teachers.
But I don't
This is
know.
our first picture. And I want you to write a cat.
Oh, easy.
Listen again. A cat. 2 words.
Finger space.
A cat.
Teacher, father,
Write it
cheat
down.
me. Finger space too.
Remember your capital letter and
whoops.
full stop. A cat. If you need to pause, you can pause the video now while you finish writing a cat before moving on to the next picture. Okay, this time our sentence will have more words, so listen carefully. What colour is the top that the man is wearing? Is it a blue top or a green top? He's wearing a red top.
What means
We're
top?
going to write a red top.
I don't know.
A red top. 3 words. A red top.
I don't know.
Don't forget, capital letter, full stop. You can
What
pause
about
to give
finger
yourself
space?
time to write before you move on. Listen 2 more times to the sentence. A red top.
I don't know.
A red top.
I don't know.
This is our last sentence that we're going to write today, and this one is even longer. Ready to listen? We are going to write a man and a dog. A man and a dog. A man and a dog. 5 words. A man and a dog. 5 words in this sentence. Don't forget, capital letter, full stop. And between all those words we need a finger
Space!
That's right. I am going to say the sentence 3 more times for you to listen and write it down. You can pause the video if you need more time for writing. A man and a dog.
Man.
A man and a dog. A man and a dog. Good job, everybody. If you want to challenge yourself, you could pick any of the pictures from today's phonics homework and write your own sentences as well. Each time you write, don't forget, capital letter, full stop, finger spaces. Good job, everybody. I'll see you next week.
Yes. Bye.